eyes were summer blue, and my heart missed a step. We shared one